tickets you and you.
So we are working together. We'll be auditing each other. We've got targets to deliver in terms of what we all must do. And in an unfortunate situation where an accident has happened, how do we deal with the post-trauma? Do we have the kind of hospitals to deal with that, so that if you see us today as we build Marwa Sagana Road, we have a post-trauma hospital along that corridor. So that is the effort and the results that you will see from the multi-agencies working together. And therefore, as we gazette the 4 regulations that Daga talked about, we will be having a better implementation framework, not just implementation, including enforcement, to ensure that we do not see a rising accidents like you mentioned, because if then it continues rising, it means the interventions we are putting in place are not working.
As a ministry, we are determined to leverage on technology, and that is why we want to roll out several regulations that my CS will do so within the course of this month, that will look at the issue of motor vehicle inspection, that will look at the issue of leveraging on technology, including the use of telematics for both commercial service vehicles and school transportation, and will also look into the issue of drink driving to ensure that we work together, the National Police Service, and reintroduce ways of measuring the content of alcohol for drivers who are under the influence. We also want to make sure that we use cameras and technology to implement the minor traffic offences rules of 2016. As you are aware, that those rules have 37 different offences, and we must make sure that we use, yes, the police, but we also use on technology to make sure that we avoid people from hanging outside vehicles. We avoid people, driving on pavement and pedestrian footpath and all other offences that are outlaid there.